Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. My name is Courtney and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrifting, hauls, and more. Honey, it's the whole lifestyle right here. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays. So I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am decorating my coffee table. And I'm gonna show you 3 different looks. So for this first styling, I've used silver and white. I started off on the bottom with my silver ring sculpture. On the second shelf, I placed my Z Gallery candle holder, and I found this set of white ceramic mini pumpkins at Home Goods, and I've placed one of the mini pumpkins on each of the tea light holders. For my centerpiece, I have a silver tray with some gorgeous silver vases on it, and inside the vase, I've placed these gorgeous stems from Z Gallery. Silvery, eucalyptus, so full and so nice. Make sure you keep on watching because we're gonna move on to the second look in just a moment. The ladies of Elegance are kicking it into high gear for the fall season, bringing you loads of tablescape inspiration. Links to both of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink as I finish putting together Tablescape number 2 in black and gold. For this black and gold look, I've started off with these gorgeous ceramic vases which I've thrifted, gold pumpkins, and some gold painted florals. On the bottom, I've placed a gold metal pumpkin figurine, some gold and mirrored coasters, and my gold DIY chain link. And I hope you like this one too. Let me know which one is your favorite in those comments. Now let's move on to Tablescape number 3. And for number 3, I am bringing back my signature color. I've started off with the same silver tray, and then I came in with a silver candle stand and a purple tray on top, which I placed my DIY velvet pumpkins. I've also placed a couple of pumpkins and DIY acorns on the bottom. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. On the second shelf, I placed a purple bowl with my purple decorative spheres And then on the very bottom, I came back in with my silver ring sculptures. And mercury glass bling candle stands finish the look. So I hope you like this one too. In fact, I hope you like all three. And if you do, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and guess what? It's easy, honey. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And as a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload a Tablescape video and hashtag it Tablescape Tuesdays 22 and we'll find you. Sophisticated Saturdays is the second Saturday of every month at 6 p.m. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home in a classy, sophisticated manner. Hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. We have guest hosts that we're adding every month. So come and join in on the fun and support your favorite creators. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. Until next time.